So you want to make this cool abstract model easily? Let's learn this. First select the default cube and then scale it like I did. Now go to the edit mode and select its 4 edges. Press Ctrl B for bevel, then increase the segments. Now let's apply all transform. Now select these edges, press Ctrl B and decrease the segments. Now shade smooth, click on auto smooth and type 10 degrees. Let's add cube. Now select it and move it down. After that, duplicate on Z-axis. Select both of them, press Shift D, then R, then X and type 90 degree. One more time, but in the Z-axis. Now delete this cube. Now select all of them, press Alt D and move in the X-axis by pressing X. Let's repeat this action 12 times. Again, select all of them, press Alt D and move in the Y-axis. Let's repeat the action 6 times. Now press 1, select all of them and then same process on Z-axis 4 times. Select all of them and bring them to the center. Now let's add a plane and scale and reposition like I did. Add camera. Press Ctrl 0 for camera view, lock camera to view and reposition like this. Now let's add ground plane and scale. Now go to the select and click on select random and change ratio to 0.7. After that, deselect any other object if selected, then delete. Now go to render viewport and change to cycles. Change material to emission and increase strength. Let's add material on ground plane and change color and decrease roughness. Select one of them and change color and increase subsurface value. And it's done. Hope you learned something new. Stay tuned, subscribe for more and goodbye guys.